All our own brand washing machines are designed for large loads whilst being A-rated for energy efficiency. In this video, we'll take you through some of the stars of our John Lewis laundry range. We'll include suitable models if you're looking for just a simple wash, through to the impressive features you'll find in our high-end machines. Common features in all our machines include excellent energy ratings. All our washing machines have an A energy rating or better for lower running costs. Large portholes such as the one on this 8 kilo model make it easier to load and unload your washing. The anti-flood systems in place in every machine ensure peace of mind when washing when you're not at home. There are quick washes too. These range in speeds and vary in the capacity your washing machine will hold. But the basic function remains the same, a fast cycle that allows you to wash the essentials in no time. The entry model John Lewis 1200 is ideal if you want a simple, well-built machine that will easily handle a regular wash. It has an excellent A+ energy rating and a large porthole. The 1200 also has an AquaLift wash system, which works to distribute water evenly for an optimum wash. The more expensive machines use AquaSpray. This uses less time, energy and water. As a basic guide, a 7 kilo load capacity is more than enough for the average household. In one cycle, a 7 kilo capacity would wash at least 4 bath towels, 2 sheets and 2 pillowcases, 2 pairs of jeans, 6 t-shirts and 14 pairs of socks. The John Lewis 1408 offers a 7 kilo load capacity and an efficient 1400 RPM spin speed. An LED control panel makes it easy to set washes and lets you see when your wash will be ready. There are up to 15 wash programs for every scenario, including a delicate 30-degree wash. Our top-end machines like the 1605 offer special wash programs such as lingerie and anti-allergy cycles. There is a timer delay to let you take advantage of cheaper tariffs, for example, overnight. And with its inverter motor, it's much quieter than most machines. As you move up through the range, you will get higher spin speeds and larger load capacities. A higher spin means your clothes will come out of the washing machine with less water in them, making them easier to dry. Larger load capacities are useful for busy households. You can be confident in the value, quality and reliability of our machines, as each one comes with a 3-year guarantee included. And for a small charge, we can plumb in your new machine and take away your old one.